Hi everyone, welcome to my mobile learning unit. This MLU is on Seesaw. This is what our district is currently using. I have not been able to, in preschool we have not able to launch it, but we are getting ready to, so this is why I chose to use Seesaw. And here, when they log in, they're able to see their name. And for now we will be using the sample student, and up here you have their journal. So once they post their activities, I'll be able to see what they've entered, but when they want to actually see the unit, they need to go over to activities. And then here are the activities. The only thing with Seesaw is that not everything is together. So for example, if I wanted to create a new unit, everything will build up on top of this, unless I would have to delete these and then go week by week. That's the only really downfall to it. But Seesaw is actually great. I was really surprised to all the things you can link to and upload. So here is my screencast for the parents. I wanted to do this for the parents so that they actually get a visual, and I walk them through each of the activities and how to upload, because they're going to be pretty or basically brand new to it. So this is just a visual to help them. What I really like about Seesaw too is that everything is pretty detailed. It gives you you enter exactly what you want them to do, and then you also can record the instructions. So like here, it's the first thing, it's a video explanation of patterns, and it's
Hi friends, today we're going to learn to make an ABC pattern. Patterns
and I really like this because
belong red.
I was able to use Chatterpix, which is really fun. You take a picture and then you can create whatever you took a picture of. Talking, you could do the voiceover. And I decided to do that because I thought it would be very engaging and fun for them to watch. And the video is not that long, it's under 2 minutes, because they are preschoolers, so their attention span it's not that big. So in my learning unit, this is my little video of showing them how to make a pattern. Then to reinforce that, I'm putting in a real life situation to build on their background knowledge and for them to use their schema. I want them to identify patterns in their real life. So in their home, I want them to go through the rooms and find a pattern. So this is my example here of patterns I found in my home. And then they're able to use the draw tool to highlight where the pattern is, and then the microphone tool to tell me what kind of pattern it is. So it gives them here the option of what they're going to do. So first they would take the picture and then they would draw on it, and then it would give them the option to use the microphone to be able to do that. And then as you keep scrolling down, they're going to finish a pattern. So once they've know how to do a pattern and they identified a pattern, then they're going to practice. So this here is like a hyperdoc. And here you can see that they're able to move the pieces to continue on the pattern. So they can finish the pattern on the top row, and then then they can use the same emoji pictures to create a different pattern on the bottom. And that, I think that's really neat. I think they will enjoy that part of it. And then once they create their own pattern, I want them to keep identifying patterns in their real life items. So I want them to look in their clothes, take a picture, and go on a Flipgrid. I'm sorry, not a picture, of video, and go on the Flipgrid and show me what they're wearing in patterns. And then for the Padlet, I created a Padlet for them where I want them to create their own patterns. So I want them to look for things in their home. They could be anything in their house, toys, tools, things in the kitchen, and I want them to be able to take a picture and upload it to the Padlet. And only a picture because they are pretty young. I am asking them to respond to someone's Padlet, and in the instructions here, as well as in my screencast video, I explain for the parents to please type up exactly what the students say, whether it's one word or two words, just so I can get an idea of what it is they're exactly saying. And then to end the unit, I just have a quiz for them, and it's a pretty simple quiz, but I just want to know if they're able to identify patterns. So my quiz, I'm asking them, can they identify a pattern, and then also can they tell me what kind of pattern it is. So it's a pretty simple quiz, but I just wanted to have something to assess them formally, even though I do have the other tools to assess them. So this is my learning, mobile learning unit on patterns. Let me know what you think. Thank you.